I've made a big improvement to the text adventure game engine. You can now have multiple attributes associated with the player. Before, you would have one attribute and you would give it a name like health or happiness. But now you can have a whole group of these. So for the Young Sheldon adventure, I've chosen health, happiness, gaming skill, and confidence, and there probably could be some other ones. So let's see how this works. When you create events, such as at Meemaw's house, we play video games, that increases the gaming skill by 10. So notice this is a different type of argument. This is a dictionary with a key and a value. The key is the name of the attribute, in this case gaming skill, and the value is the change to the attribute. So here's another one. You win an argument with Pastor Jeff, that boosts your confidence by 20. So what's with the rest of these? These all use the default attribute, which is specified here now. If you want to see the details of the change, it's here. I've got a link in the description. A lot of files were affected. I also had to make minor changes to the other game implementations. But just to give you a sense of it, the left side is how it was, the right side is how it is now. Quite a bit of work here. Let's see what it looks like when we play it. So here you see when there's an event, we get to see the change in all of the affected attributes. And then here's a display of the current values of all the attributes. So let's go to Meemaw's house and see if we can play games with her. What's the probability that we play games when we go to Meemaw's? Here we go. Meemaw makes cookies, happiness boosted by 20. We play video games, gaming skill boosted by 10. And then those changes are reflected in here. So there we go, making good progress on the Python text adventure game.